Aeronautical decision-making is a critical skill in drone operation, just as it is in piloting manned aircraft. ADM is the process of analyzing information, evaluating alternatives, and making decisions about the best course of action based on a specific set of circumstances. When operating drones, ADM includes making decisions about essential factors such as weather, conditions, airspace, and the drone's performance. Pilots must determine whether the drone has the required capabilities to perform a particular task, and whether to adjust the mission plan to match the drone's abilities and limitations. ADM also means considering the potential risks and hazards associated with the drone's operation. Pilots must evaluate the risk of collision with other aircraft, buildings, or obstacles and decide how to avoid or manage potential hazards. They must make decisions about the best route to fly, the altitude to maintain, and the most appropriate way to handle an emergency or malfunction. Overall, ADM is crucial to the safe and efficient operation of drones. It helps pilots make informed decisions based on situational awareness, risk management, and piloting skills. Through ongoing training, education, and experience, drone pilots can develop and hone their ADM skills, improve their decision-making abilities, and operate drones safely and successfully.